Why is Stanchart cutting over 7,000 jobs and boosting AI now? 2026. Why is Stanchart cutting over 7,000 jobs and boosting AI now? This massive shift could reshape banking jobs and impact millions. You need to know what's driving this urgent change today. Standard Chartered, one of the world's leading banks, announced it will cut over 7,000 jobs globally. This is part of a major restructuring effort to lower expenses and enhance competitiveness. The job cuts represent a significant slice of its workforce, signaling a tough new era for banking jobs. The bank aims to streamline operations by eliminating lower-value human capital, meaning roles that can be automated or replaced by technology. To offset the job cuts, Standard Chartered is pushing forward with artificial intelligence investments. The bank's leadership explicitly stated their goal to use AI to replace lower-value human capital. This means AI will handle repetitive, manual, or administrative tasks, freeing up resources, but also reducing job opportunities in those areas. This trend reflects a broader move in finance to digitize processes and boost productivity using advanced technology. The bank's focus on cutting lower-value human capital means that entry-level staff and administrative positions are most vulnerable. These roles often involve repetitive tasks that AI can now perform more efficiently. Mid to senior roles may be less affected, but the scale of job losses suggests broad impact across departments. This shift could change the career landscape for many working in banking, especially those in traditional back-office jobs. This move by Standard Chartered is likely just the beginning. The bank plans to continue investing in AI and automation technologies to drive efficiency and cut costs further. The restructuring signals a shift toward a more tech-driven banking model. Industry experts expect other banks to follow suit, accelerating the trend of AI replacing routine banking jobs across the sector in the near future. Standard Chartered's decision sends a warning about the future of jobs in banking. As AI becomes more capable, banks will rely less on human labor for routine tasks. This could lead to fewer job openings and more pressure on workers to upskill. The banking industry's workforce is undergoing rapid transformation, driving uncertainty, but also new opportunities for tech-savvy professionals. What this means for you is clear. If you work in finance, especially in entry-level or routine roles, your job may be at risk as AI takes over. But this also means new opportunities in tech and AI-related fields. Stay informed, adapt your skills, and prepare for a banking industry that is rapidly evolving. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates on how technology is reshaping your career and the economy.